The world is filled with all types of beautiful women. Every country has its own most beautiful woman. The question always remains, who are the top 10 world's most beautiful women right now? Who do you think deserves the title of most beautiful women in the world? Note that all women are beautiful in their own way. This list of the top 10 world's most beautiful women based on online popularity and some other statistics. Since we don't have any standard to measure beauty, the women list here are confident, intelligent, desirable, dynamic and are very dedicated to their job. So without wasting time, let's begin. Number 10. Taylor Swift. So it's a universal fact, beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. But when it comes to rank the beauty of a person, so it is necessary to calculate the internal beauty as well as external beauty. The external or physical beauty will age with time, all other factors remain ageless and keep a person beautiful forever. The most popular contemporary female recording artist, Taylor Swift, is not only beautiful on the inside but on the outside too. Swift successfully branded herself to be the most loved celeb in the world. In addition, she's the highest paid singer in the world. Number 9. Emma Watson. Being the first love of millions of people from across the globe, Emma Watson captures hearts with her performance in the Harry Potter series. Her iconic portrayal of the witty Hermione Granger can never be forgotten. But this godlike perfection of a person and her impeccable acting skills are not just limited to this franchise. She is also accredited to have played celebrate characters like Belle from Beauty and the Beast, Meg March from the 2019 movie Little Women, and Sam from The Perks of Being a Wallflower. She is also a UN Women Goodwill Ambassador and has helped launch the UN Women campaign He for She, so which encourages all genders to work towards gender equality. Number 8 in our list. Faria is known for the most beautiful eyes and perfectly chiseled jawline. She is also known to have a smile that can melt your heart. Born to the Turkish and German parents, she is a winning package. She can speak 4 languages, Turkish, German, English, and Spanish fluently. Number 7. Kristen Stewart. Kristen Jamie Stewart is an American actress, model and director. She is considered as one of the most beautiful women in the world with an attractive appearance. She starts her acting career in 1991. But she got recognition in the industry by her leading role in the movie Twilight. Kristen Stewart is also involved in charity works, and she was first seen in charity involvement in the Shoe Revolt, but where stars come and sign their donated shoes. Number 6. Selena Gomez. Selena Gomez is an American actress, singer and producer. She is among the top 6 most beautiful women in the world. So she got broader recognition in the world on Disney Channel starring in TV series Wizards of Waverly Place. Gomez is one of the most beautiful female singers. So her works with various charitable organizations are signs of her existence of inherent beauty. Number 5. Priyanka Chopra. Priyanka Chopra is an Indian actress, singer and film producer. She also considers amongst the list of top 10 most beautiful women in the world in 2020. She is also the winner of Miss World 2000 that shows the prominence of the actress in the industry. Priyanka Chopra receives numerous awards for her acting in different movies. She is also running a foundation for the health and education for charity purposes. Number 4. Deepika Padukone. Deepika Padukone is also an Indian actress that stands at 4th number in the list of most beautiful women in the world. She is the highest paid Bollywood actress, and her distinctive physical appearance attracts the world. She also started appearing in Hollywood movies due to her fantastic acting skills and attractive appearance. Number 3. Nana I.M. Jinnah. Nana I.M. Jinnah is a South Korean singer who considers as the 3rd most beautiful woman in the world. The actress also works for several Chinese films and endorsement. Due to her cuteness, attractiveness and innocent looks, so she names the most beautiful face in the world. Also, she tops the ranking of most beautiful Korean women. Number 2. Liza Soberano. Liza Soberano is a Filipino-American actress that considered as the second most beautiful woman in the world. She starts her career in a range of TV series and rose to prominence. So after her role in romantic comedy TV series Forevermore, she is famous for her attractive looks, and she was named 2018's Most Famous Endorser of the Year of Campaign Asia magazine. Liza Soberano also features on Vogue's website, where her stylist Peri Tabra talks about her fashion choices. Number 1 on our list is none other than Hande Erçel. Hande Erçel is a 26-year-old Turkish actress, and she is the most beautiful woman in the world. She is a Turkish TV actress and model. So Hande is also known for her role in Aşk Laftan Anlamaz as Hayat Uzun. She is famous worldwide because of her attractive and alluring looks. She is also a designer and model who posed for several agencies. Also, she appeared in many television commercials of brands available in Turkey. She split up with singer Murat Dalkılıç after months of dating. In a very short period of time, she has been able to make a name for herself in the entertainment industry. So these are one of the world's most beautiful women. Thanks for watching my video. Support my channel by subscribing it. Stay connected for more amazing videos. Have a nice day.